Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Hey guys, welcome to 20 Days of Transformation. Today, we're diving into 5 effective exercises that can help you achieve instant weight loss in just 20 days. Remember to consult your doctor before starting any new workout routine. This is especially important if you have any underlying health conditions. Let's crush this together. Your secret weapon. We're going to start with stretching. Stretching is often overlooked, but it's a crucial part of any fitness routine. Don't underestimate the power of a good stretch. It's not just about flexibility, it's about preparing your body for the challenges ahead. Stretching is so important for preventing injuries, especially if you're going to be doing a lot of intense workouts. It acts as a safeguard, ensuring your muscles are ready to handle the strain. It helps lengthen your muscles, improve your flexibility, and prevent that post-workout soreness. When your muscles are flexible, they can move more efficiently, reducing the risk of strains and sprains. Think about it. When you stretch, you're basically preparing your muscles for the workout ahead. It's like warming up your car on a cold day. You wouldn't just start driving without letting the engine warm up, right? Plus, it helps improve your blood flow and just makes you feel good overall. Increased blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your muscles, which can enhance your performance and recovery. Some of my favorite stretches are yoga asanas, like Virasana and cat stretch. These poses not only stretch your muscles, but also help calm your mind, creating a holistic approach to fitness. Try holding each stretch for at least 30 seconds and really focus on your breathing. Deep, controlled breaths can help you relax into the stretch and maximize its benefits. Deep breaths in, deep breaths out. You got this. Remember, consistency is key. The more regularly you stretch, the more benefits you'll see over time. Make sure to stretch regularly, even on rest days, to see the best results. Stretching on rest days can help maintain your flexibility and keep your muscles loose, so you're always ready for your next workout. Incorporate tools like foam rollers and resistance bands to enhance your stretching routine. These tools can help target specific muscle groups and provide a deeper stretch. Stretching with a partner can also be beneficial. They can help you reach further and ensure you're doing the stretches correctly. Plus, it's a great way to stay motivated and make stretching more enjoyable. Consider stretching at different times of the day. Morning stretches can help wake up your body and prepare you for the day ahead, while evening stretches can help you unwind and relax before bed. Don't forget to take stretch breaks throughout the day, especially if you have a sedentary job. Regular breaks to stretch can help reduce stiffness and improve your overall well-being. So, make stretching a regular part of your routine. Your body will thank you, and you'll feel more prepared and energized for whatever comes your way. Happy stretching! Find your inner zen and outer strength. Let's move on to yoga, another amazing way to tone your body and enhance your overall well-being. Yoga is not just about physical exercise. It's a holistic practice that integrates mind, body, and spirit. It can significantly boost your weight loss journey by improving your metabolism and promoting a healthy lifestyle. The transformation you see in your body is just one of the many benefits. The morning is the perfect time for yoga. Trust me, starting your day with yoga will energize your body and mind. The serene environment and the rising sun create a perfect backdrop for a rejuvenating session. Practicing yoga on an empty stomach before sunrise allows your body to focus on the postures and breathing. This practice helps in better digestion and enhances the effectiveness of the yoga poses. It's like a detox for your system. Sweating during yoga helps to flush out toxins, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Plus, it helps you cultivate a sense of inner peace and mindfulness that you can carry with you throughout the day. This mindfulness can improve your focus, reduce stress, and enhance your overall quality of life. Remember, yoga is all about connecting with your body and finding your inner strength. It's a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. Don't worry if you're not flexible right away. Flexibility comes with time and consistent practice. The key is to be patient and persistent. Just keep practicing and you'll be surprised by how much progress you can make. Over time, you'll notice improvements not just in your flexibility, but also in your strength, balance, and overall well-being. Yoga also fosters a sense of community. Joining a yoga class can help you connect with like-minded individuals who share your passion for health and wellness. This support system can be incredibly motivating. Don't hesitate to use props like yoga blocks, straps, and mats to assist you in your practice. These tools can help you achieve the correct alignment and make the poses more accessible. If you prefer practicing at home, there are plenty of online resources and virtual classes available. Setting up a dedicated space for yoga in your home can make your practice more enjoyable and consistent. Consider keeping a yoga journal to track your progress and reflect on your experiences. This can be a powerful tool for personal growth and self-awareness. Ultimately, yoga is about finding joy in the journey and celebrating your achievements, no matter how small. Embrace the process and enjoy the many benefits that yoga brings to your life. Pedal your way to a leaner you. Next up, we have cycling. This is a fantastic cardio workout that's not only great for burning calories, but also super fun. Cycling is a low-impact exercise, which means it's easier on your joints compared to running. But don't let that fool you. It's still a powerful workout. It strengthens your legs, improves your cardiovascular health, and melts away those extra calories. Find a scenic route, hop on your bike, and enjoy the ride. You can even make it a social activity by going for bike rides with friends. Remember to wear a helmet and stay hydrated, especially if you're cycling outdoors. Unleash your inner powerhouse. Ready to unleash your inner fighter? Let's talk about kickboxing. This high-intensity workout is a total body blast that will have you sweating and burning calories like crazy. Kickboxing is not just about punching and kicking, it's a full-body workout that engages your core, arms, legs, and glutes. Plus, it's a great stress reliever. Imagine all that stress melting away with every punch and kick. Don't worry if you're a beginner, there are plenty of online tutorials and classes that can guide you through the basics. Remember to use proper form to avoid injuries and always listen to your body. Conquer your fitness goals. Last but not least, we have mountain climbers. This exercise is a powerhouse when it comes to full-body workouts. Mountain climbers are like a full-body workout in one. They engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them incredibly efficient. This exercise gets your heart rate up, strengthens your core, and torches calories. It's a triple threat that can help you achieve your fitness goals faster. Mountain climbers are a plyometric exercise, which means they involve explosive movements that help build power and speed. These dynamic movements are great for enhancing athletic performance. They also improve your cardiovascular health and endurance. By incorporating mountain climbers into your routine, you can boost your stamina and overall fitness level. To do a mountain climber, start in a high plank position with your core engaged. This initial position is crucial for maintaining proper form throughout the exercise. Then, alternate bringing one knee towards your chest, as if you're climbing a mountain. This movement mimics the action of climbing and targets your lower abs. Keep your core tight and maintain a steady pace. Consistency in your movements will help you get the most out of this exercise. Remember to focus on quality over quantity. Proper form ensures that you're effectively working the intended muscle groups and reduces the risk of injury. It's better to do fewer reps with proper form than to rush through them and risk injury. Taking your time to master the technique will pay off in the long run. Don't forget to take breaks when needed. Hydration and rest are key components of any successful workout routine. After completing your mountain climbers, make sure to cool down with some stretching. This helps to prevent muscle soreness and keeps your body flexible. Track your progress over time. Use a fitness app or journal to note improvements in your endurance and strength. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Each step forward is a victory on your fitness journey. Remember, the only bad workout is the one that didn't happen. Stay committed, stay motivated, and keep pushing towards your goals. Prepare for your next workout with enthusiasm. Each session is an opportunity to get stronger and healthier. With a positive attitude and consistent effort, you can conquer your fitness goals. Keep going, and you'll see amazing results. And there you have it. 5 effective exercises to help you lose weight in just 20 days. Remember to stay consistent and listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard, especially in the beginning. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as you get stronger. And most importantly, have fun with it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and routines. See you next time. And thanks for joining me today.